Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to translate a story on Wattpad. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Wattpad, click on the sign up options. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, translating a story on Wattpad can be beneficial for both readers and writers because it allows stories to reach a wider audience and fosters cultural exchange and appreciation. Translating a story allows it to reach readers who speak different languages, thereby expanding the story's audience on a global scale. Of course, this can lead to increased visibility and popularity for the writers because it facilitates culture exchange by exposing readers for narratives, themes, and perspectives from different cultures and regions from the world. It promotes understanding and appreciation for diverse backgrounds and experiences. Now, the thing is, you can translate a story from Wattpad in two ways. You can do this in the web version. Of course, all we have to do is skip it for now, and maybe I cancel this one. Let's head over to the home section. Now, for example, you encounter a very good story here on Wattpad, and you wanted to understand the context of the narrative and a lot of that. Of course, you can always go. There's no option that you right click on translate to Google. All right, so there's no option also here in the settings that to translate this automatically in the English version or the native language that you are using. Now, I'm going to switch to a different platform, which is called, this website is called DeepL, all right? And it's a free platform in the website. All I got to do is click on try for free, click on free. Let's trade for translator. Now, once you are in the platform, all right, all I have to do is put all the entire text in the Wattpad story and translate it here on English or your native language. Let me do that right now. Okay, so this text, I'm gonna copy everything from here, right? Copy or simply that. I'm gonna try to paste that on the DeepL. Now, once you hover down here, try to paste that in. If it doesn't work, you might need to go to the mobile device instead, all right? Now, from here, for example, this is going to be the Spanish stories that I wanted to translate. Okay, so here's the above text right here. Now, once you are on your Android device, I need you to go to the Translate on Screen or similar apps that can translate anything on screen. Right now, I'm installed this app. All I have to do is open that. And from here, it automatically translates the... Now, from here, all I have to do is turn it on. Okay, and that's that. Now, from here, all I have to do is use the screen app and drag the active cursor to the text that you wanted to translate it, and that will do the rest for you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.